Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we were gonna do a 3-point perspective example. So I have the canvas set up. So the box over here is the frame where we're gonna be drawing. We have 3 points or 3 vanishing points, the red, the blue, and the green. And then we have the vanishing lines as guidelines to help us draw. And then the horizon line is also over here. Okay, so let's start the drawing. So we can start with a simple box at the bottom. It goes from here to here, and then it goes towards the blue vanishing point. It's up again towards the green, and then back that way. Then on the red, we'll need to add some guidelines. That's one. Let's make it smaller. And that's the second. Then we can go back to the drawing layer and add these lines. So that is 1. It comes down and then back. So that's the bottom of the box. Then let's say inside that box we have another box that goes up. So that starts from the same point and goes up, say all the way up to here. Then it comes back down towards the blue vanishing point. And up again. Oops. That's same with the other side. This would go up all the way to here. And then we can add a red guideline if we wanted to. And we go back, connect these two on that line, and we can erase. Now that we have the general box, the 2 boxes, the bottom and the top side, we can add more details. So what we can do, we can cut into it or add over it. Let's start by making the bottom box a little bit bigger. If we want to make this box bigger, let's say bigger in all directions, it should be somewhere here, let's say. And then the blue side, and then this side, we want to make this side bigger. It's only towards the blue vanishing point, so we can just simply take it out and then bring it down towards the green vanishing line, the vanishing point, and then it connects back like that. Similarly here, it's only the red, it goes like that. Then we can bring it down parallel to these or towards the green vanishing point, and then connect it. So now we can erase some of these old guidelines that we had, because now the box shows that it is bigger than the box that is on top of it. Okay. Then we can do a similar thing, but this time instead of adding, we want to do a cutout. So let's say we want to do a cutout here, like that. Okay, so we want to do it properly. So let's go, say it starts from here, the cutout. And it's on this, we're on this plane that is on the red vanishing lines. So if we wanted to do a horizontal cut on that plane, we should be going this way. And then if we want to bring it down, we go on the green. So let's say we want to do something like this, or even lower. Let's say we go here. And then similarly, let's say we want to connect it back to this edge. But let's just say this edge this time is horizontal. So if it's horizontal, that means in perspective, it moves towards the red vanishing point. So if we're here, we should go like that, and then like that. Then we said it's a cutout. That means this line here actually should come in. Again, this line, if we want to make it smaller, it is on the towards the red vanishing line, so we can just simply bring it more in. Let's say it starts here, bring it down towards the green vanishing point. And I'm doing all estimations, but of course, if you really want to, you can add more guidelines to make it more accurate. So similarly, I wanna, let's say this one is horizontal here, and we wanna do a cutout with this line and this line, bring it more in. To make this line move away, we move it away from the blue vanishing point, so it can just come down like that. So that is our line. We can make it even smaller. Let's go like this. And all of these vertical lines, they're all moving towards the green vanishing point that we have all the way at the top there. Now, one more thing that we can do, let's say we want to round this thing, this piece. We don't want it to be a sharp edge, so we can do that. So over here, we just soften this edge like that. And then we can erase this line and do a similar thing up top here. And I'm using the vanishing points, or the green vanishing lines as guidelines of where the curve starts. So I'm using this line and this line. So similarly, this line and this line. And then I can just curve it and then erase that. So now that part is curved. Can do a similar thing on the other corners if we wanted to, but let's just leave them as is. Now, because we did a cutout, this piece, this edge that we have here, we'll be able to see the bottom of it, and it's not really just a line anymore. So when we want to draw that in this side, we'll be able to see it like this, and then on this side we'll be able to see it like that. And then they connect to each other following the curve. Okay, so we can erase some more guidelines, that guideline, and that one. In this side, we can't really see the bottom of it because of the angle. Yeah, so now we have a simple shape and we can add more detail. So this really, using these little guidelines that we had, we were able to draw a simple shape of a building. And now if we add more details, this thing will look a lot better. So let's add, for example, a gate at the bottom or a big door. So let's say it starts from here, goes up to here, and then from this, and then it follows. It's on this red. It comes this side. It comes back down. This is actually an edge, so we can leave it. Or if we wanted to give it a curve, we can also do that. So let's say curves like that. Similarly, it curves okay. Can erase this so that this looks like an opening. And if it is an opening, then we should be able to see this dimension. There we go. And then we can add some windows. So we want to add windows. Let's add some big windows here. Goes like that. And these windows, they're all on the red and green, and we don't really use the blue because the blue plane is not really on this side of the building. So we can just add those right there. Then we can do more of that. Just like that. And then you can do the same on the other side. Let's just say the other side has one large one. It's down all the way like this and goes back up. Let's say the top side also has some windows. Let's say larger windows this time. So it goes like that. Down. And then another one right here. Maybe these are not windows, but maybe they're billboards or something like that, or signs. Then on this side we can add another door. Comes like this. And then we can remove the base of that and add this dimension towards the red. And yeah, very simply, now we have building in perspective. So we can add some details now to it and some maybe shading to make it look better. And now you can see me just playing around with the shades and adding different shades of gray. Just see what works. And then I add a little bit of a platform where the building is sitting on. And then you'll also see me finally playing around with a soft light and a hard light layer to just add a little bit of color into this drawing or painting. This of course is done very quickly and the details are done very quickly, but once you have the basic shapes done, you can really spend a lot of time finalizing it and adding all the details that you want. I hope this was helpful in seeing how 3-point perspective works. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And you might also like to watch the video where I show 2-point perspective. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.